Maybe for the color in general, you have some works that you have created and for a few years ago, maybe, and now think different about the color.
Sure. Let me just find whatever I have on this hard drive. Same problem, sort of, as with yours. Totally oversaturated. Doesn't have a subject.
Mhm.
This was for a card game.
The question is, when I see this, then I would think, okay, it's very oversaturated too, but I don't think this from my pics. So if
But
I put with in Photoshop with the some pickup tool, then I can read some values. Do you think these values would be the same as from mine?
it's not about the mathematical values. What I'm saying is the same problem here that I see with your stuff is it's oversaturated not because it's just oversaturated, it's because it doesn't have a clear subject and the color values don't scale, for example, with distance and with the items that are not as important. This is, by the way, the problem on all of the cards that I made for this card game. They are all the same in the same way, oversaturated and don't have clear subjects. Even though I am using color theory here because I have the teal and the orange,
Mhm.
right? But if I would have the PSD file, and I believe I still do, I would probably desaturate the background by a lot. Probably blur it, desaturate the orange and the blue as well to make it, in general, the ship here should be the foreground. This
Yeah.
is this is just, an error in doing a composition.
Okay.
It's starting to have an actual subject, right? And
Yeah.
it needs more time, but you get the idea what I'm
Yeah.
going for.